Knowing the power that creative projects have to tell important stories, the Aurora Creative Funding Trust staff work hard to ensure they provide the opportunity to let talented artists tell their story. To facilitate this, ACTF utilises Walker Scott's Klevr Grants product, which makes creating application forms fast, flexible, and fully configurable. Forms are built directly within the Klevr Grants application using a broad range of question types, from simple text and numbers to rich long-form responses, multi-select fields, ratings, and structured data tables. Scoring can be applied where it matters, enabling consistent evaluation across submissions, while specific questions can be excluded from AI assessment to ensure sensitive or contextual responses are always reviewed by people. Conditional logic allows forms to adapt dynamically, showing only what's relevant based on each applicant's answers, reducing friction and improving data quality. Supporting documents can be uploaded directly to SharePoint or Azure Blob Storage, keeping costs low while maintaining secure, scalable access to files. Forms can be previewed at any point to experience the application exactly as an applicant would. For advanced scenarios, forms can also be edited directly in JSON. Finally, the Klevr IQ evaluation form and model are attached to the form. Once complete, the form is saved, versioned, and attached to an application round, ready to be completed by all applicants with confidence and consistency built in. For Mike, this application submission is a combination of substantial effort and emotional investment. The natural environment in which he grew up and loves is being threatened by climate change. While willing to invest his own time and effort in telling his story, he requires financial assistance to do it justice. Mike logs into the Klevr portal to continue working on his application. Here, he can see any requests for additional information and request help from collaborators to pull together the information. He reviews his responses to the form that was created by the ACTF staff and ensures he has entered all details before he submits. He is reliant on this outcome. Jessica loves her work. However, as the company's reputation has grown, so has the number of applications for her to review. Passionate to give each submission the due diligence it deserves, Jessica relies on Klevr IQ to complete an initial first pass. As part of her application form setup, Jessica also configured an evaluation form to be completed by the Klevr IQ agent. Within this form, Jessica adds questions that are important in her decision-making, such as eligibility checks and risk recommendations. For each question, she can add a prompt that informs the AI agent how it should analyze the submission and give a response. Navigating back to the application round, Jessica can see all of the submissions that she needs to work through. She selects Mike's submission and reviews the details that Mike submitted as part of his response. Wanting to take advantage of the Klevr IQ capabilities, Jessica runs the Klevr IQ evaluation. This will automatically trigger an AI evaluation based, and the agent will complete a response to the evaluation form that Jessica configured for this application round. Based on the model chosen, Jessica can even give the agent some organizational context to use alongside the submission details in its scoring. Once completed, Jessica opens the AI evaluation response and can see the responses the Klevr IQ agent has given for each question in her evaluation form, along with the justification for why that response was given and a confidence score. Quickly, she is able to identify that Mike's story is worth telling and dives deeper into his application in order to continue with the grant awarding process. By leveraging AI, Jessica is able to quickly identify strong candidates for each submission, ensuring that deserving individuals receive funds in support of the mission of the ACFT. Please visit walkerscott.co to learn how Klevr IQ can help you.